Hello everyone, it's Tommy from TechNexus. How you going? A couple of weeks ago I did a coding week for people to watch how to make an Autocad batching routine using VBA inside of Autocad 2019. So at the end of that week I gave everyone 1 week to go through each of the steps themselves and try and make it on their own. And then I said for 1 week I will upload the file itself, and then people can use it themselves without having to do the code. So what I'm doing now is just showing you where to download it, how to install it, and how to run it. So go to technexus.com.au, our homepage, click on the downloads link, and then we have an area under here called download_batching.rar. There is also some of the text here that you can step through to install it, but you can watch this video as well. So click on the link and then click on download. And what that will do is download the file to your downloads folder. So if you're using WinRAR, you can right click on it and say extract to batching. And then under that now you have a directory called batching which has all of the files in it. So what we need to do now is move that to C drive, and then it appears under C drive as C drive_batching with the actual VBA script, a sample script file, and a subfolder here that I've called source drawings. You can change this to be whatever you want. It doesn't have to be called source drawings. You can call it Bob if you want, and then you can place all of your files in there. There is also a sample script file in here. So this is just some of the sample text that you would use inside an AutoCAD script file. So it's just really what you would type on the command line. So zoom and then enter, extents, enter, and that gives you the two commands on the command line. So this gives you the ability to do a zoom extents on all of the files that you want to run through this scripting routine. So we just go back to AutoCAD. Now you will need to install Vba Manager, but otherwise if you have installed it, you will now get this dialog. If you haven't got it installed, click on the link in the description below and you can download the Vba Manager for AutoCAD 2019 and then run the Vba Manager here. So what we've got now is this dialog for the VBA. So we just go to load, go to C drive batching and select the batching.dvb file. Click open. Now it talks about unsigned, that's fine. Click always load and click enable macros. Okay, and now we've got that script loaded. So you can click on the Visual Basic editor here and it will take you to the form with the code in the background as well. You can leave the logo if you want, but I'd obviously just appreciate it if you could leave the logo here, and plus there's an email address to get me on if you need some more help as well. You can go through and change this C drive batching if you want to make it a different directory, but again you can just leave it. So if we close that, type in VBA man again, go to macros, and then click on run, and then you get the form. Okay, so here we've got the source drawings folder. I can select or deselect any of these as well, and if I've got it, I can turn on a user script file if I need to. When you've decided which functions and user script you want, you just click on process and the whole process runs through all of those files. Okay, so hopefully that was informative enough for you to get it going on your own. If you need to, feel free to make a comment on the video below. Otherwise, please subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon to get daily notifications on all of my videos. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next week for some AutoCAD menu customization. See you later.